Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And sorry guys, we were not able to get the video last week because we were busy shifting our house and we had lots of issues related to internet connectivity. So without wasting any time, let's start our second Q&A video. And for next Q&A video, drop down your questions in the comment section below, starting with hashtag AskTechieBee. And guys, avoid multiple comments. So today I have picked up almost all the questions. If I missed out any question, do let me know in the comment section below. First question we have from Mr. Sai. I'm using OnePlus 7 Pro as a daily driver. That battery life was not up to mark, around 3 hours max with Oxygen OS 10.3.3. and it used to heat a lot. Is there any way to increase battery life? I usually reset the device every 6 to 7 months. Mr. Sai, there are issues on Oxygen OS 10.3.3. Wait for another update. They should fix this heating and battery issue. Lots of people have been reporting the same issue. Next question we have from Mr. Sai Reddy. Every phone have some numbers of battery cycles, right? After the battery health goes down, all of us know this. But if we change the old battery to new, can we get battery like brand new phone? Yes, obviously, yeah, that's possible if you replace the new battery for your device. Then we have a question from Mr. Sankit. What are your plans for OnePlus 8 Pro? Are you buying that or stick to OnePlus 8? Any thoughts when its sale will start? So OnePlus 8 Pro sale is already started, which started on June 15th. And right now there are no plans of buying OnePlus 8 Pro. As of now, I'll stick with OnePlus 8. Then we have next question from Mr. Satyam Chaudhary. Why beta features on OnePlus 7 Pro is not on stable OTAs? Please take this question. So Mr. Satyam, it takes around 2 to 3 months for those features to come on stable version. So whichever features right now available on beta versions will be soon added on stable versions also. Then Mr. Divan says, I'm using OnePlus 7 and it's been a year old and the battery has degraded to 84%. So till what percent should I replace the battery? All depends on you, Mr. Divansh. If you are getting a day battery backup, there is no need to replace. If you feel that battery is draining a lot faster, then you can replace the battery or upgrade your device. Then we have a next question from Mr. Malhar. Hello, can you make a house and studio tour, please, Dada? Yes, Malhar will be doing it soon. Right now we have shifted our house. So studio tour will be coming soon. I need to make some changes. After that, I'll make a video on that. Next question we have from Mr. Anmol. After updating to Oxygen OS 10.3.3 on my OnePlus 7, ambient display is not working proper. I have also reported this bug via feedback section to OnePlus. I can also see that most of community members have reported or made thread on community forum, but no official reply from any OnePlus officials. Yes, there is a issue on OnePlus 7 series related to ambient display, and I think ambient display doesn't work when you are in low light conditions. So I'm aware about this issue, and let's see if it gets fixed in the upcoming update. Next question we have from Mr. Enigma. Is your YouTube side gig or the main job? It's my main job, yeah. Then Mr. Ravinder says, sir, मेरे पास Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite है और उसमें 3.5mm jack dongle काम नहीं कर रहा है, एसेसरी नॉट कंपेटेबल आ रहा है, प्लीज हेल्प. यस रविंदर सर, सैमसंग कोई भी अनऑफिशियल एसेसरी सपोर्ट नहीं करता है. सो आप एक काम कीजिए, सैमसंग स्टोर जाके एक नया एसेसरी जो कंपेटेबल है सैमसंग डिवाइस के लिए वो वाला ले लीजिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव फ्रॉम मिस्टर रवि तेजा. इज OnePlus 8 Pro worthy upgrade from OnePlus 7 Pro? Mr. Ravi, I don't think if you are already using OnePlus 7 Pro, then you can wait for T series or wait for OnePlus 9 series, which will be coming next year. Then Vinay says, TechieBee is better to buy OnePlus Bullet Z for OnePlus 5T because Dolby Atmos is not coming to it. Mr. Vinay, I won't suggest you to buy OnePlus Z for OnePlus 5 series. Then Satyam says, also make a video on Gcam versus stock cam on OnePlus 7 Pro. Yes, Gcam videos are coming really soon. I've already started clicking pictures and you'll soon gonna see videos of Gcam. Then Mr. Divansh says, I have searched on YouTube for increasing battery health and life and also how to increase performance of OnePlus device, but all these videos are like a year old. Please make a update video device OnePlus 7. First of all, Mr. Divansh, I don't think there is a need to increase OnePlus 7 performance. It's already fast, but to increase the battery life, you can turn off the background applications, and if you really want to increase the performance of your device, you need to overclock. For that, your device has to be rooted. Then Mr. Mighty says, how can I make my OnePlus 7 Pro device faster? I would really appreciate if you put up this question in next Q&A video. That's all, and I really support you. Wish you success ahead. First of all, thank you so much, Mr. Mighty. Tell me, what is the exact requirement of increasing the performance of your OnePlus 7 Pro? I know that's a pretty fast device, and if you still want to increase the performance of your device, then make sure You root your device, use custom kernels to overclock, and there are lots of modules available to increase the battery life. Then Mr. Natik says, सर आप बहुत अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन देते हो, बिग फैन ऑफ योर्स। यार कोई फैन नहीं है, हम सब फैमिली मेम्बर हैं, बट कीप सपोर्टिंग, थैंक यू सो मच यार। Next question we have from Marvelous Boy. OnePlus 5 got 3 major Android updates, right? So OnePlus 6 and 7 series will get Android 11 and 12, right? OnePlus 6 series will get Android 11 but not Android 12. OnePlus 7 series will get Android 12. Then Mr. Neeraj says, what are the features or benefits we get after rooting a device? And what new can we do with this powerful OnePlus 7 Pro? Please tell us, I really want to know. See Mr. Neeraj, rooting is always slightly risky if you are not aware about it. So if you are aware about rooting your device properly, then there are lots of things you can do. You can increase the performance of your device. You can increase the battery life of your device, and you can also customize your device. But only one drawback, if you root your device, there are possibilities you won't be able to use the banking apps. The next question we have from Mr. Shri. My OnePlus Bullet Z wireless headphone mic fails to work with my OnePlus 6 for every application including OnePlus Recorder. Except for making calls, is anyone facing the same issue? Is there any solution? Yes, people have been reporting all these issues, but one thing I would suggest, if you are using a recorder with your Bluetooth headsets, there are very less possibilities that it will record. But this question has already been updated in the OnePlus community forum, so let's see if OnePlus gives an update for it. Then we have a next question from Mr. Shinde. Will OnePlus 6T get Android 11? Yes, Android 11 will be coming for OnePlus 6T. Then Mr. Ayush says, why OnePlus have such a bad cloud service? It's pathetic if you compare it with iCloud. Mr. Ayush, OnePlus have recently added the cloud service on their OnePlus devices, so wait for some time. For sure, the service will be improved a lot in future. Then we have a next question from Mr. Chanti. Hi sir, I have OnePlus 6. I want to upgrade to OnePlus 8. Can I do that? And like your videos. Thank you so much yaar. Mr. Chanti, right now it's the perfect time to upgrade to OnePlus 8 series. Then Mr. Ayush says, hello sir, please make a video on Android customization, different types of looks, show our phone is new. Yes Mr. Ayush, I'm working on customization videos also. Soon I'll be adding on the channel. Then we have a next question from Mr. Devanshu. My OnePlus 7 Pro doesn't connect with your phone application of Windows 10. Can you show how to connect your phone app with OnePlus 7 Pro? Mr. Devanshu, I'm not sure. I have never connected my OnePlus devices to my PC which is running Windows 10, but I'll give it a try, and if I'm able to connect, then I'll update you in the comment section below. Nightmare Gaming says, I'm OnePlus 6 user. When are we getting Android 11 update? As per the previous records, OnePlus 6 series will get Android 11 maybe next year, May or April, or maybe June. Then we have next question from Mr. Shivam. Does OnePlus 7 Pro notification panel becomes pure black in Oxygen OS open beta updates? Yes, they have done lots of modifications in that, and now you can see a pure black color instead of that gray color which used to appear before. The next question is from Mr. Anand. I have OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 users take video from selfie camera. The audio quality we get in that is very bad, and this is not in the case of back camera. While recording with back camera, the audio quality is pretty decent. Is there any solution for this? Mr. Anand, first try to reset your device. If still you face that problem, then you make sure to clean the mic which is on the top of your device, because mostly that mic is used for the audio recording. If you're using your front camera, you can either visit OnePlus service center, just tell them to do a general cleanup. If any dirt is available in that, they'll remove, and then you try to record the videos and let me know in the comment section below if that gets fixed. Mr. Herschel says, on my OnePlus 5T, when I use screen recorder, the mic doesn't work, internal sound on, and the screen touch delay is noticeable. Mr. Herschel, I need to check on that. I'll be doing a gaming video on OnePlus 5 and I'll update you if there is any delay in the touch. And about internal sound recording, if you're using Bluetooth, then avoid that. Try to use wired headset. Then we have a next question from Mr. Atmik. Can you please tell me what to do? My camera keeps crashing after I enabled freeform mode. I have tried disabling, uninstalling updates and also cleared the data, but nothing happened. Atmik, you can do one thing, go to recovery and reset only settings. That might fix that issue. If still not fixed, perform a complete factory reset. Then we have a next question from Mr. Senchundar. I am currently using OnePlus 6. It's almost 2 years. Suggest me another Android device apart from OnePlus within 40k. So right now within 40k there are two devices. One is Realme X50 Pro and second is Realme X2 Pro. So these two devices are pretty good. And if you can wait for some time, then wait for Asus ROG 3. Then we have next question from Mr. Karan. What features upgrades would you like to see on OnePlus 8T series? So basically I don't want much of features. I'm just waiting for always on display out of the box and with Android 11. Then Mr. Anjan says, can you make a video on how to recover deleted pictures and videos, files, etc. It will help us. Many videos are available on internet. Those are not working for OnePlus phones. Waiting for this video. So Mr. Anjan, it takes hell lot of time to make such videos and it's not possible to recover 100% data. So but I'll give a try, and if I'm able to recover few files like 50 to 60%, then I'll for sure make a video. Again, we have a next question from Mr. Anand. Due to no pocket mode in OnePlus 7, we are facing many problems while keeping the phone in pocket or bag. Please provide some alternative solution for this. Right now, there is only one solution for this. You need to root your device, because I've tried enabling this feature via ADB, but that did not work out for me. Right now, only solution is rooting, but wait for future updates. OnePlus is already aware about this issue and that should be fixed very soon. Then Mr. Akshay says, I watch all your videos, I like your videos. My question is, currently I am using OnePlus 60. Should I upgrade OnePlus 8 or wait for OnePlus Z? First of all, thank you so much, Mr. Akshay. If you're using OnePlus 60, then I would suggest you to wait for some more time, because OnePlus 60 is still performing good. Z will be launching next month, which is OnePlus Nord new series, and right now we don't have any information about OnePlus 8T series. Then we have a next question from Mr. Punjabi Munda. आपको OnePlus 8 की brightness OnePlus 7 Pro से ज़्यादा लगती है? हाँ, OnePlus 7 Pro से और OnePlus 7 की कोई भी सीरीज ले लो, OnePlus का कोई भी डिवाइस ले लो, सबसे बेटर ब्राइटनेस है OnePlus 8 सीरीज में. Then we have next question from Mr. Samkit. As you said, always on display will come in Android 11. Can we get idea when Android 11 will come? So for OnePlus 6 series, Android 11 will be coming next year. For OnePlus 7 series, there are possibilities in the month of September or October, and for OnePlus 8 series, mostly next beta will be available next month. Then Mr. Arya says, sir, please tell about the base on OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z after 10.3.3. I think here you're talking about OnePlus 6 series. On OnePlus 6 series, they have not done much of optimizations, but on OnePlus 7 series, they have done a lot of optimizations related to OnePlus Z Wireless. Next question we have from Mr. Arun. Hello, there was a small toggle when the screen is rotated for screen rotation. Can I get it using OnePlus 5? Someone asked about it in Q&A. Please reply. Mr. Arun, that toggle is missing on OnePlus 5 series because we have received the initial builds of Android 10. Wait for a few more updates. I think that will be added in upcoming updates. Then Mr. Sultan says, why did you abandon the old Techie by Sam channel? Also looking great with mustache. Thank you so much, Mr. Sultan, but this is only my first channel, which is Techie. There was no channel before named Techie by Sam. Mr. Aman says, big confusion between S10 Lite, OnePlus 7T and 7 Pro. Please guide. I need a big screen, excellent display and large battery. First of all these three things you won't find in single device. Big screen can be found on OnePlus 7 series and also on Samsung devices. Better screen you can only get it on Samsung devices. And then large battery. Large battery can also be found on OnePlus and Samsung, both the devices, but all matters is the software optimization. Software optimization of Oxygen OS is pretty good. So better battery backup you can get it on OnePlus devices. Because personally I've used all the latest Samsung devices and battery backup is pathetic. Mr. Aman says, I'm using OnePlus 7 Pro. When I'm switching vibration motor, then automatically vibrates in every 1 minute. Give me a solution for this, sir. Mr. Amar, I don't think there is any solution for this. Try factory resetting your device. If not, you need to visit the service center. This might be a hardware issue. Mr. Rahul says, hi Ashok, really appreciate your efforts. I got my OnePlus 7 motherboard replaced under warranty due to frequent battery drain issues, after which I am facing small lags in my device. How can I resolve this? Please help. First of all, Rahul, thank you so much, and let me know what all bugs you are facing. Put a comment in the comment section below. I'll reply for that. Next question we have from Mr. Anil. Hi bro, can you make a video how to add missed call alerts and continue blinking notification light feature? I've already made a video, Mr. Anil. You can check description for the same. Next question we again have from Mr. Sai. I'm using OnePlus 7 Pro root. I have an idea about flashing ROM and Magisk module, but most of the root users won't go for custom kernel. Make a video how to flash custom kernel and what are the problems will occur if you do any mistake while flashing. Sure, Mr. Sai, I'll make a video on that. The next question we have from Mr. Nagendra. Sir, should OnePlus 7T get latest features like Google Feed in launcher and dark mode for more apps option through future updates? Yes, Mr. Nagendra, this feature will be coming soon. What do you do for a living? Is YouTube the only thing you do? And also, how do you own so many phones, especially OnePlus phones? How do you get them so quickly? OnePlus 8 right now. Thanks. Keep up the good work, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Ananya. And right now, YouTube is my primary job. Initially I used to work with aviation industry, and talking about how do I own so many phones, every human have two kidneys. One I have already sold. I'm left with little more cash, which I'll use it for OnePlus 8T series. Jokes apart, I buy all my phones. I don't get any review in it. And about how do I get them so quickly, I stay in Bangalore and online deliveries are pretty fast, and we also have OnePlus Experience Store in Bangalore. Next question we have from Mr. Ambrineshwar. I am using OnePlus 7, and after the update 10.3.3, the ambient display doesn't work and the portrait mode blurs the subject instead of the background. Also, the battery life has reduced a lot. Yes, there are issues with Oxygen OS 10.3.3 and OnePlus is aware about it, so wait for the next update. All these things will be fixed. Then Mr. Atif says, when I try to move to open beta 14 from stable Oxygen OS 10.3.3, it says the version package is lower than of installed and downgrading is not allowed. Anyone knows what to do? Yes, Mr. Atif, in this case you always need to check the build date of the software. For example, if the build date of stable version is 1st May and the build date of beta version is 30th April, then you won't be able to update to beta version. Either you can go to recovery and try to install that package to avoid this error. Mr. Anshul says, I want to ask, when should I buy a new phone? It's almost 3 years done for my OnePlus 5T. Can you suggest any good OnePlus phone or other brands? Mr. Anshul, if you have already been using OnePlus, I would recommend you to go with OnePlus itself. Right now it's the correct time to upgrade your device to OnePlus 8 series. If you have a good budget, then go for 8 Pro. Mr. Ayush says, hi Ashok, I really admire your work. Keep it up, buddy. My question is, I recently bought the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z and wanted to know how can we turn on low latency mode. Is it just by toggling to Fanatic mode and Bullets would detect that automatically? First of all, thank you so much, Mr. Ayush. And yes, to enable low latency mode, you just have to toggle Fanatic mode. So guys, that's it for today's Q&A video. We have almost covered all the questions. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comment section below, starting with #AskTechieBee. My name is Ashok, this is TechieBee. See you guys in the next video.